call yung mami ko.
And then?
Ayaw ko na niya ako. Gusto ko pa chuk niya ako na sabi na call yung mami ko.
But it's true. I called you.
But I miss Carla.
You can play with her later. Let's eat first. Okay?
But Mami, balik ako.
Later, darling.
Mami!
Come.
Come on, Mom.
Later.
Come on.
We're gonna have to eat first.
Balik ako. Nandito ako.
What?
Balik ako eat.
Hala. Ayan siya. You want the worm inside your tummy when it's your intestines? You want to
No, Mommy.
That's why you have to eat first.
Come on.
Ouch.
Enough.
What's enough?
I'm going to find Kaiwa.
But you're already friends. Gloria. Ayesha will eat first, okay?
Mommy.
Oh. Gloria is still there naman, oh. She's not going anywhere.
Tita! Tita! Tita!